Some Pitt State students got a hands-on look at some of the equipment they're going to be operating in the future. PSU hosted its annual Construction Expo for the first time in 2 years. KOAM's Jalen Banks says more.
After a 2-year hiatus, Pitt State was able to host its annual Construction Expo. The event hosted well over 100 students from all over the area, giving them a chance to see and use new tools and technology that is being used in the construction industry today.
Well, students get to see the reality of what's happening because these companies are dealing with this every day. And so they're telling the students, this is the stuff we use on a daily basis. It's just not artificial, something your educators are telling you, but there's something that's real. And so we want you guys to get out here and experience what the real world is like.
The expo featured 80 companies from all over the United States. Today's expo gave Pitt State, local junior college, and high school students the opportunity to work machines, use tools, and most importantly, network.
1000% networking. It's about communicating, getting people to know each other and to make contacts. I probably made a dozen new contacts today of people that want to work with us and have us come to their school, or companies that want to know what can we do to help you guys more.
This event serves as a bridge for students to go on to new opportunities within the construction industry and aims to continue to grow even more. From the Construction Expo at Pitt State University, Jalen Banks, KOAM News.
The expo was started back in 2013.